Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd make a quick little video updating you on the progress that I've made on the golf gadgets for a local amputee. So let's get started. So here it is, version 3 of the golf gadget that I'm building for a local amputee. A big thanks to Creality for supplying me with the printers that I've been using to print the parts for this build. Now let's take a moment to enjoy the ease that the parts release from the build plate. So check out this twist lock that I'm using for his right hand. It's comprised of a pair of 3/16 pins and keyways that lock up with a simple 90-degree rotation. For his left hand, I'm using a Hosmer-style quick-release boss that clicks into the end of his prosthetic socket. Moving down the bracket brings us to a super beefy 4-plate hinge that allows the motion usually afforded by the golfer's wrist. The next feature of this bracket is the Radial locking plate. This establishes the angle of the club in relation to the golfer's forearm. Meet Mark and Cindy. Here she's helping Mark don his prosthetic sockets and attach the golf club gadget to them.
That was a good one.
All kinds of excited. The next collection of clips shows Mark trying out the device for the first time. There's a pile of adjustability built into this setup that will need to be dinked with down the road that should really help with the repeatability of his swing. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's awesome.
Yeah, who was actually? Ah! Over the fence.
Yep. I don't know. You had a couple there that you really got a hold of.
Yeah, I know. That's always scary, you know, when you're actually playing golf. You have a club that suddenly goes 140 yards instead of 100.
Yeah.
It's kind of a shock sometimes. That's pretty good.
There you go.
Whoa.
That was a good one.
Maybe we should have brought a pitching wedge instead.
I'd really like to thank all my Patreons. You guys are absolutely awesome. And your contributions go to making builds like this possible. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And if you have time, leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Okay, guys, that's enough. There you go.